confession. Unless you don't give a good goddamn about redemption. I know Christ is coming, and so am I. You would too if the sexy devil caught your eye. She'll suck you dry, and still you cry to be back in her bosom, to do it again. She'll make you weep and moan and cry to be back in her bosom, to do it again. Till I go blind, 'cause nobody ever survives. Praying to stand the rust until I can die a little longer. Saviors and saints, devils and heathens alike, she'll eat you alive. Jesus is risen, it's no surprise. Even he would martyr his mama to ride to hell between those thighs. The pressure is building on the base of my spine. If I gotta sin to see